If you want visitors to stay on your website longer, engage more, and actually convert, here's one secret ingredient that outperforms everything else. It's video. Video is the ultimate engagement booster. It keeps people on your site longer, it increases conversions, and delivers information faster than text ever can. But here's the catch. You have to use it the right way to get results. So first, keep it short and engaging. Attention spans are shrinking by the day, so make sure your video gets to the point quickly. Next, always use captions and text overlays. About 80% of people watch videos with the sound off, so if your message isn't visible, you're losing potential customers. And here's where businesses often go wrong. They focus on features instead of storytelling. People connect with stories, not specs. Show how your product or service solves a real problem, and you'll hold attention longer. And of course, don't forget a strong, compelling call to action. Whether it's book a free consultation, get started today, or see how it works, your video should guide visitors to take the next step. And one of the best uses for video is a short, compelling testimonial from a happy customer right on your homepage. It's one of the fastest ways to build trust and convert visitors into customers. If you're not using video yet, now is the time, because when it's done right, it doesn't just capture attention, it drives business growth. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you are struggling to drive traffic and turn visitors into paying customers, well, you're not alone. But the good news is that we have you covered. We put together some special step-by-step marketing checklists that are designed to help you attract more visitors, boost conversions, and grow your business without the guesswork. These are not generic tips or fluff. They're proven, actionable strategies that actually work. Whether you're looking to improve your SEO, optimize your website, or run high-converting ad campaigns, our checklists lay it out for you. And the best part is they're free. Join our free membership today and get instant access to our marketing tactics so that you can start using them right now. Visit timberwolfadvertising.com/free membership and start transforming your marketing right now. My name is Justin Kuntz, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising. It has been a pleasure to talk with you today, and I look forward to helping you grow your business.